Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and this time we have a second drone to unbox. And we're gonna be unboxing the Tello Ryze, powered by DJI with Intel inside. Yung ano nila, Tello, feel the fun. Okay, it's a very small drone compared to my Sima drone, which is so much bigger. Yeah, makita nyo kung gaano kalaki diferensya. There's a Tello. And you see that. Okay. So this comes from DJI. It's one of the distributors in the Philippines is MSI ECS. Okay. We're gonna open it now. Okay. Okay. It says here 13 minutes max flight time. That's precise hovering, 5 megapixel photos, electronic image stabilization, 720p HD transmission, multiple flight modes, easy operation, programmable with the Tello SDK. I have no idea what the SDK is right now. We'll do a review once we're able to, play with it. Accessories you can buy separately: remote control, battery charging hub, Tello snap-on covers, blue, yellow, and white. Okay. So that's what it says here. So we're gonna open it up. Okay. And tada! There's the drone. Okay. So as you can see, apat, it's a quadcopter. This is where you slide in the battery, Okay. Charging port for the USB. Okay, so you can charge it. I assume this is the power on. Okay. So apat yung LEC. Nakakabit na siya, so I have no idea how to put it on and remove it. So buti na lang nakatanggal na siya. Ay, nakakabit na. Okay, parang mabigat yung ilalim. So, mga nakatago dun yung battery sa ilalim. Alam naman, nagbenta sila nito nung wala, no? Okay. Okay. So, buksan natin yung ilalim. Ayun, ang manual. Yung kapal. Okay. And there's the battery. Okay, nakatago sa ilalim yung battery. Okay. So, open it up. The battery, the manual, and extra propellers. So may apat. Tapos may pin tool, may pang tanggal. Okay, we're not gonna open up muna. So that's what comes with the package of the Tello. Okay. Diba? Price-wise, it debuted in the market ng roughly 6,000 plus. From what I hear, it's about 5,000 something na lang, less than 6,000. So, iba pa palang accessories, you need to buy the carrying case pa, no? So, if you check, yung kita yung silalim, yung notch yung for the batteries is down. So, we just push it in. Yon, okay. Looks like it's in. Let's see if it has charge. It's not charging. Where's my power back? Okay, we have here a power bank. Let's see and let's try to charge it. So what I like about this, kung ganito siya, micro SD siya, micro USB port siya, you can easily charge it anywhere, using your power bank or whatever, even your car. Hindi katulad ng ibang drones. Ayan. May milaw. Okay? So, may flashing blue light. Okay. Let's see what happens. That's happy. So that's the Tello. I will kick this. If you want to know where to buy it, check online. I'm pretty sure MSI ECS is one of the distributors. iClick. Search for iClick, meron siya. I think you can order online sa Lazada and Shopee. Make sure you buy from authorized distributors and resellers, kasi baka magkaroon ka ng problema sa warranty. I'm not saying the gray market is bad, but baka magka-issue ka in terms of getting it fixed kung may problema. So thanks guys, that's a quick unboxing for the Tello Ryze, okay? Which is powered by DJI and yung camera, okay? So we'll do a quick review soon. Thanks guys, bye!